Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I'm sharing with you guys some things that nobody tells you about living in the dorm. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so the first thing is you cannot bring all of your clothes. I know, I'm sorry, but it's just not possible. The closets are just not big enough to fit what you normally would in your closet here at home. So it's like a quarter of the size of a normal closet. You'll find that they are more spacious than you probably expected, but still not as spacious as you would hope they would be. Alright, so the second thing is fire drills. So no one told me when I moved into the dorm that we were going to have fire drills every semester. So yeah, let's just say the first semester that was pretty shocking. Not what I was expecting, but it does make me feel safer knowing that we are living in a place where the fire alarms actually work. So be prepared for fire drills, and also during the first few weeks of class, don't take a shower until after 8 p.m. just in case. Alright, so the next thing is join the group chat even if you have to mute the notifications. I feel like joining the group chat is a good thing to do in general because you can get information about what's happening with the RA, with the dorm, when there might be events with free food or just floor meetings, anything that could be happening within the dorm. That's a good place for it. If you need to borrow a knife or if you need to borrow, I don't know, a cooking utensil, then you can like pop a question in the group me or the group chat and be like, hey, does anyone have this? And someone could help you. That's a good way to definitely stay on top of what's happening in the dorm, and it's a good way it's a good idea to join it just in general. Next thing, wear shoes in the shower. So they don't have to be like special shower flip-flops. They don't have to be. I, for one, did not have that option to buy the special shower shoes that have holes in them because they don't make them in my size. Like, I'm 6'2". That's just a fact of life. They do not make them in my size. So I just used regular flip-flops and it was fine. And I actually was able to use the same pair of flip-flops for about 2.5 years, and then they broke and then I had to get another pair. So highly recommend wearing flip-flops in the shower just for your, it just helps you prevent you from slipping, and that's just what they recommend anyways. The next thing is do laundry often. So you obviously don't want to wait until there's a heaping pile of clothes where it's so overwhelming. It's a good idea to do it often so that you're not overwhelmed when it comes to doing your own laundry. And also, by the way, the Tide Pods do not go in the plastic detergent slot. They go in with the clothes. So just a reminder. The next thing, put your keys on a hook somewhere in your room. So I highly recommend this because I myself have actually lost my keys in my room, not like lost them. I've lost my keys, freaked out, and it's not a good feeling when you can't find your keys in the middle of a fire drill. So it's a good idea to have like a designated hook or a designated place for your keys so that you can find them and easily locate them when needed, and it just makes yourself feel better. The next thing, take out your trash and learn to clean. So probably your first experience in the dorm, you're 18 on your own, or maybe you're even 22 and on your own, or maybe you're 20 and on your own. Whatever, you're on your own for the first time typically, and you're learning how to do all these adult responsibilities like taking out the trash and cleaning up after yourself and learning to clean all the surfaces and get rid of germs and just like learning to clean. Anyway, take out your trash often and don't forget to learn how to clean. And don't forget to wipe over door handles and light switches and sink fixtures. So there's that. And finally, the last tip I have is utilize your RA because they are also a student. They have more experience being on campus. They're usually upperclassmen and they can help you out if need be. So with that being said, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.